Welcome to Data Catch Up YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more empowering data science videos. SQL query to reduce redundancy of data. What is data? Data is a collection of words, images, sound, letters, and observations for analysis, reference, and research purpose. What is redundancy in data? Data redundancy is the duplication of data in a table or database. When data is duplicated, it consumes more memory space in storage devices. Backup storage devices can be a USB flash drive, hard disk drive, SharePoint drive, and so on. How to reduce redundancy of data? In data analytics, solving redundancy of data is the first step towards analyzing large amounts of data. Analysts come across unstructured data that need to be put in structured form. By unstructured, we mean collected data that need to be organized. The ability to begin a data mining process is to identify duplicate records in a file, table, and database. In databases, we normalize to ensure unique records are displayed. Normalization is a process or set of guidelines used to optimally design a database to reduce redundant data. The following are the three most common normal forms in the normalization process. 1. The first normal form, 2. The second normal form, and 3. The third normal form. SQL syntax to remove redundancy of data. Distinct keyword. The distinct syntax can be used with aggregate functions, count, average, minimum, maximum, and sum. SQL query to remove duplicate rows. You type select distinct column name from table name. And the distinct syntax can be used with aggregate functions. Select count, distinct column name from table name. SQL query to remove duplicate rows. Note: partition divides the query result into partitions. CTE means common table expressions. Row number numbers the output of a result set. Overclose defines a window or use specified set of rows within a query result set. Benefits of resolving redundancy of data. 1. Improves database organization upgrade. 2. Makes data consistent within the database. 3. Creates additional memory space for cloud, computer, and auxiliary storage. 4. Encourage much more flexible database design. 5. Improves database security. 6. Data can be easily shared among authorized users in an organization. 7. Resolving redundancy of data enhances data integration between several tables by strengthening relationship with other data entities for easier update and retrieval of data. In conclusion, our data need to be clean to improve performance and integration of data. You need to create the right SQL statements, optimize tables and queries for the best performance. Principal component analysis tool will help in mathematically resolving correlated data redundancy issues. Hey, if you find this video interesting, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more data science videos.